We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great week, folks. Release the need to be right. When you believe something, you assume you're right. You may even destroy relationships in order to defend your position. Let go of the need to defend your position. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We had the Dow Industrial trade up 34, NASDAQ up 51, S&P's up 4, gold contract down $3.10, trading at $12.49 an ounce. Silver down 8 cents, $14.61 an ounce. Light sweet crude down $1.75, $50.86 a barrel. Notes and bonds, you get the 10-year note down 1 tick, 120.21. 30-year bond up 4, 143.15. King dollar up 699 ticks, trading 97.175. The euro is at 113.54 to 1 US dollar. The yen is out here at 113.21 to 1 US dollar. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? So if we take a look at the SPY, what you're going to see out here, folks, is this. SPY gets into the high volume low that was out here from October 29th. We got to 258, so you broke it, 259. We've done 148 million shares versus 160. So bottom line is that you do have a rejection of lower price, slightly lighter volume. It's a toss-up. Nominally, well, it's lighter volume. That's the bottom line. You'd like to see a lot lighter volume, not 148 versus 160. That's in the Qs. Now, that's in the SPY. You take a look at the Qs. The Qs have the best shot of getting a bounce going here. The Qs did 70 million shares. That's going into 102, as well as 111. And what happened is this with the Qs. We got down to 159. The high of the low is 160, 138. So you definitely rejected that, rejected with lighter volume. We'll see what kind of a bounce we can get out of this. I expect you can see the Qs actually bounce up into the October 11th area, which is 167.81. That's the last time we had monster volume on the way down, outside of the aspect of this low that was generated out here at 160. Small caps got a different ball game happening altogether. Small caps can't hold a bid. We've done 29 million shares. That was going into 36 million. We pull this back, and the small caps were the first indice, major indice, to get down into its high volume low from February. We hit it today, $141.45. That high volume low is 142.50. So bottom line, keep your eye on the small caps, because the small caps are going to tell us quite a bit about where the other major indices want to go. Gold, well, let's do oil first. So oil, folks, bottom line, failed to hold price once again. Oil contract is down 3.4%. We had gasoline down 4.4%. Pretty cool. Unleaded gasoline, folks, right now is 141 wholesale a gallon. We go over to the oil market. You're going to see that we're down $1.81. You're at 50.85, and this very well could be doing another ABC structure on the way down. Oil market looks to me like you're going to get down to the 45 area. The reason I'm saying 45 is that once we broke into the 55 area, there's not much in between 55 and 45. And right now, you're halfway into that whole consolidation. That was the large consolidation. I expect you're going to see lower prices. Gold contract, bottom line, this is pretty intriguing because of the fact that gold didn't give it up when, in fact, the dollar caught a bid. So gold's down $3.10. You've done 188,000 contracts. You're at 1249. We hit 1256. My take, gold wants to go to 1330. 1330, folks, is the high of June of 2018. XAU, HUI, they both had taken out their swing points last week with volume. Bottom line, XAU took out the swing of November. That's saying it wants to trade up to the swing of October. That's $71.64. Right now, you're at $67.40. If we go take a look at the Gold Bugs Index, same type of setup inside the Gold Bugs Index. That had taken out its swing high with volume also. The gold bugs index, which is pretty cool here, is getting and is much stronger than the XAU. Now, what that says, that is saying that actually the price of the metal is also going to go higher, because when the XAU is stronger than the price of the HUI, what happens is that can be stronger because stocks inside the XAU, they can hedge going out as much as they want, where stocks inside the HUI can only hedge 1.5 years production in order to be in the HUI. HUI, bottom line, we're almost at the swing high of October. That swing high is 158.62, where we are 154. We hit 157.34 out here today. Notes and bonds, bottom line, continue to want higher price. They just will not give it up. And you have the 10-year note out here today, 120.21, 2 million shares, 2 million contracts traded, great contract volume. Dollar index, now this is going to be the wild card, folks, because this is what you have. Dollar index out here today did monster volume, DXZ8. So what we did in the dollar index is that we did 32,000 contracts, and you can make the case that it was going after the lows or the highs, so it's a toss-up. That's the bottom line. I suspect, that being said, we're going to go test the high. The high in the dollar index is 97.530. What we are going to have, if we take a look at this, what you're going to see is first I'm going to bring up the British pound, because that British pound got toasted and roasted out here today. As soon as Theresa May came out this morning and said that Brexit vote is not going to take place tomorrow, the British pound went from 127.69 to 125.07. So it broke the whole consolidation that it was in. If we pull this back a bit, let's see where we're at here. No, you're still into some heavy support, actually. Well, 125. Yeah, 125 is game. 125.16 is game. So that basically, that correlation broke. If we go over to the euro and we take a look at the euro did get to a higher high and then gave it up. Let's see. This gave it up. Yeah, that gave it up. Yeah, well, at 10.50 today. What the UK Parliament is saying now is that they are going to debate the Brexit vote. Looks like they're going to debate it after Christmas now. Stay right there, folks. Come right back.